Yeah, what's up guys? It's your boy Country Boy 92. So today I'm filming. It's a demolition time. Just gonna check my battery, my life in it. We've got enough. So yeah, been watching other YouTube videos. It's abandoned now, still obviously, it's been demolition. It's supposed to be. Yeah, it's supposed to be like all taken apart and shit. Let's have a look through here. This is the nighttime version of it. There's not much been done to it, but it's the same in the day. So that's not drawing attention. Okay. See if there's any developments on it. Trusty sky area up there. Hey. This is what it looks like in the night time. Someone must be trying to get through there. Fucking hell. Not much difference between the building. It doesn't look like any change from there. That entrance ways. Electrical box now. We've got a light there. Yeah. LED lights. Trousers on down again. Right. Yep. Entranceway is pretty sick. Yeah. It's all boarded up still. It's not easy to fucking film with the light on. Yeah. It's bugs a pain in the ass sometimes. Yeah. Fucking hell. Probably gonna look like a security guard. Oh dear, it's all been ripped up. Yeah, I'm gonna try and make a long video on this one this time, guys. What the fuck? So just taking stuff out of it. So someone's been in here. Okay, so we're in. Fucking hell. I'm actually in. Cupboards. These walls flat. Let's find out how I see it. Cupboards under there. Nothing much outside. Got some old radiators. Wow. Oh God, look at that floor. This is my first time coming in here. Look at that fireplace. Isn't that cool? So you've got to keep the voice down in case anyone's in here. It's very dangerous indeed. Someone's been trying to get in here. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah, we didn't force entry in, guys. We managed to get a view in it. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. I mean, yeah, Country Boy 92's actually made entrance. Someone's been drinking there. Floorboards are so dangerous, look at them. Now we're going to make an attempt to go out of there. So yeah. So this is the living room. Look at that one more time, wow. Fucking hell, that's been beat up. Even if I just got in here, the other one looks too dangerous anyway. No handles. That door's freezing. Okay. pantry cupboard, boiler room. Shower and a bath. Yeah. Good God. Wow. Fucking amazing. There's the light. God, look light. That is a power on. Oh God. Talk about dilapidated. Fucking hell. So weak. Electrical room. Oh, door's locked. Like I said, nobody comes up here. It scares the living shit out of me. Let's trust these stairs. Wow, fucking hell. Wow, holy shit. Right. So no one's in here. Right or left. Just making sure no one's in there. Wow. Toilet's not in here. Oh, sink's there. Toilet's been missing. Yo, what's up, guys? Got a pull cord there for the light. Toilet. Ah, for God's sake. Look at all this mess. What the hell? The electric's been removed. Right. Kitchen. Yeah, safe to walk on it. Fire blanket. Yeah. Other YouTubers have been in here. Now me. Oh God. See if I can do it. Fucking hell. Wow, look at that. This is so dangerous. Well, I'm glad I'm in. Doing it at my own risk, guys. What the hell is this? Ah, it's just off a bed. So yeah, looks like rust leafers have been in here. Go hangers. Slidey window. I'm not going to go much chilling in the next window. This is so exciting. So we've got pipes. Look how old the floor is. So yeah, this was once where there was a fire. Fucking hell. Look at that. You wouldn't want to put your foot through there. Oh, this one's quite nice. Yeah, we've got broken glass everywhere. It's not cool. To break windows. Yeah, look at this cupboard, slidey cupboard. It's off its hinge. Be nice to sort this building out, fix it up. But it's in for demolition anyway now. Right, which room did we go in? See, we went in that one. Had a look in that one. Oh, look at the sky roof. Holy shit. There's the old light, LED lighting. See, you can see the roof. Wow. I love my abandoned buildings and buildings as well. Look at how old this is. Yeah, managed the first one to get up in the stairs. Yeah, this is before I used to record. I never used to be able to get into these buildings. But yeah, this one's now abandoned. Someone's been in. Yeah, look at that. Look at the archway, that's nice. So we've got some switches there. Yeah, it's falling in to bits. Everything's really loose. I just wish I could save this. But imagine now if you can buy this now. Handrails. Yeah. So yeah. Look at that. So this is where I was standing as well. This is how dark it is. I get a creepy feeling here. My leg's shaking. So yeah. Very dangerous indeed. Look at all this glass. Look how murky this is. Yeah. I'm surprised I haven't got a security guard up here yet. Look at that roof one more time, guys. Because this will be the last time we ever see it. I'm surprised there's no other explorers in here just yet. Be very careful, guys. I won't go in here. Be careful of the stairs. Look at that, little fire bell. Electronics there. Cool. Fire. Look at how old that light is. Yeah, look at that. We'll come back in the daytime for some pictures. Right. Fucking hell. Madness. Yeah, hey, we've got a cooker. See if there's any food in it. Doubt it. Quite decent. Oh dear, I don't even know how that opens. Okay, it doesn't open. Right guys, let's go on to the next one. Let's get over here. Yeah. Look at the rest of the building, we've got some fencing up now. But at least we got in here though. That's pretty dope. That's sick. Look at how icy it is. It's just nice to film it. So yeah. It'd be nice if we could get in here. If there's any entrance in, I doubt it. Okay, look at the light still. Look at this light. So this is only a $14.99 light off eBay. It's sick. It could be used for a torch or a bike light. Or not, I mean light. I'll put the light down a bit. Yeah. Well, it's public land anyway. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, so this is where they're doing the demolition work on it. Now I've taken this one to down for a bit. There's the milk. So yeah. Wow. There's one there. So we've got a hot thing there, the works bit where the blokes do the work. Yeah. I locked my bike down there this time. I actually come down on my bike. Never managed to actually film inside of one of these before. That's it there. It'd be sick if we could get in here. As it looks like it, probably not at the moment. What's the security signs in that lot? Yeah. EMS hire group. Let's have a look. Old pole there, electric pole. Going over there. Oh fucking hell, look at that. Right. So we've got some electric wire going in there. Oh, electrical feeder. It's been ripped out. Excavator diggers and that shit. Wow, I'm super gassed about this one. Very happy in a minute. Right. Shit. I wonder if we could get behind it. Do you go from that side? Yeah. Yeah, we've got a security company. Look how big the site is though. Yeah, it was. People where they lived and that had an office apparently. I said they had the hospital part, but they took it down, I think. Oh, it's freaking amazing. Right, we've got a starry night as well. How cool is this? Wow, fucking hell, look at this. Sorry swearing guys, but it's so cool. Yeah, if you can feel the excitement through me now, it's amazing. Yeah, we've got some bags there. Yeah, this is why I like to visit at night time, because there's nobody around. But we'll do, they want it up. There's entrance there. Oh no. What's that? I can't really see very well, so I'm going to have to go down there. Just hope my trusty light stays on. Someone's been trying to get in here, as it looks like. Fuck. Yeah. Already. I think they started it this week. Now Thursday, or Friday morning now. I don't think we're going to get in there. Wow, look at that. Yeah. Nice. Very nice indeed. So yeah, like I said, I didn't before century. The door was open. Look at that rubbish. I can make our hand sometimes of stuff and all that lot. General lights. Right, so it is blocked off that way. Hey, up we got some more view of there. Nice. Hey, up we can see through it. Yes. Nice. This is so cool. Ooh. Yeah. Let's see if we can just get around this way for now. Look at the magnitude of the size. There's no gate. Let's look at that building one more time. Flipping it. Yeah. All power. No, quite modern to be fair. This was a relatively big car park as well. Look at that, it's all kicked in, all bashed. Yeah, it's huge. And we've got high vis up there as well. Right. I'm not sure on the time yet, but I presume it's gone 11 PM or midnight now. But yeah, I remember doing these explores a couple of years ago. I was shitting myself, I was quite scared to be fair. Thought that was the Rozzers then, the Albanian Rozzers. So yeah. Hello? Look at that. Wow, fucking hell. But yeah, well, that gate is open, so I presume I can walk through it. This is all boarded off and that, but nope. Keep the light torch down. Someone driving. It's all overgrown. This part's okay. We can gander on down here and have a look at it. Yeah, photographers and YouTubers all come down here. And this was so exciting. I'm glad to actually come down here tonight. Been a bit nervous. In case any holes like that, I have fears of that. But we've got another fucking car. Better duck down. We don't want to distract any drivers as well. So yeah, this is a really sick one. Look at that entrance. Come on camera. Yeah, I need to invest into a proper light eventually. Nice. Oof, look at it, what you read on that bit. So yeah, people like to party up here and have a good old booze up. Ooh, right, we've got something. The doors have been taken out as well. I've been looking over, I will be looking over YouTubers as well. Copied the idea, not copying the videos, but taking notes of safety and that. And looking at them, I managed to actually look at that. Right, we've got a safety warning. That's sharp. Watch your eyes out on that, guys. I wouldn't recommend going in it. If you do, then it's not for the faint-hearted. I've been doing this about 2-3 years now. Well, for a very long time before, but yeah, we've got World Recycling, as it looks like. Yes. They're a big company, especially in Derby they are. So yeah, Kingsway Island, that's where it is now. Right, we've got, yeah, if we can get entrance in it, look, it's all demolished. People have been in here before, but I never really did much YouTube back then. About 2-3 years ago before, I wasn't very confident with it, so now I am. Might be able to get in one day, even if I can just get the interior shots, like the mitre, like the last of it, but we couldn't get up the stairs. But we managed to get up the stairs on this one. There's just a really creepy vibe about it. I don't know what it is. Obviously because people have died here. My grandma was a patient here. Mr. Matthew J. Fowler's mum used to work here, I think, I believe, or his dad. Right, we've got a security car there. Right, let's see if I can. So we did actually get around it. Nice indeed. Right, I just really want to get a perfect video on this. Right, sneak down. Yeah. Sneak it down. The old pub over there. Right, we've got a gate. Right. Now we can just climb over it. This would be comedy gold if you see me fall over. I was going to walk around that way, but I can't be arsed. Oh, shit. Yeah, we can't get down inside those bushes. But this is all the back of it, guys. It's now turning into a 20-minute video. Oh, fuck. Let's see if there's any other entrance. Please keep off the grass. Well, it's an old derelict building now, so I think we can. Oh no, it's this. The chimney. Look at how heavy that is. Right. There's always a cringy, scary feeling about this. Trees fell down as well, big cut down. Oh nice. When the wind blows against this, feels like I'm in a video game. You know what? Yeah, there's the side of it all. You can see little bits of it. I'm just so glad that it's not an electric fence. Right. If we do get in one day, it'd be nice. So this is a revisit. Never revisits as I've ever had. Well, I could actually get in, apart from the old multiple and now this one. Well, I wish I could get in. This is the main one I'm trying to get into. But that one, these are motherload ones. These are my dream locations. Obviously we've got a new housing estate up there. Site safety and that. So yeah, I've heard on the grapevine they're taking it down this week. Monday it'll be gone, hopefully. Well, they are fully demolition in it. So hopefully I can try and get a video into it. Yeah, it would be nice. Hopefully I can remember to get up. I don't know what time they're going to start, but I presume they're going to start for like 6 or 7 in the morning, I reckon. Right. There's literally no effers, jiffers about. Right. I love my walks and stuff now, so I'm really getting into it. Right, we've got it. You could just about see some of the part of the building. If these trees and bushes weren't here, you'd get a better view on it. Not my battery. We've got quite some battery left now. But yeah, this is sick. Right, so it's all fenced off this way. Right, okay. This is the back of it where I was, I think. Might have been, yeah. Right. So we've got more safety signs than that. Authorised personnel. It's just up there, for safety, everyone has an accident. Ooh, not nice. Caution tape on it. Yeah. I was wondering when they was going to put all this fencing up. It's annoying. You can't get fully to the building. But obviously, because what they're doing, they're taking it down. So I think they're going to gradually do this one. Oh, for fuck's sake. Sorry about this, guys. God. Right, that's better. I zoomed it in, pressed the wrong button. But yeah, this is a cool location. Oh, you bugger. That scared the living daylights out of me now, that did. So yeah, there's the skip. Yeah, I feel like actually man on a mission tonight. There's the other part of it. Right, here's the main entrance part of it as well. And there's this light that we showed you guys. Now taken down. Just hope I don't lose my footage. My light, sorry for the footage. For a live YouTube recording. I mean live Facebook, sorry. And there's the other part. And there's the gate bit, no parking. Yeah. So this is the other way around it. I walk opposite way around now. It is pretty amazing. Just look at the driveway of it as well. Not sure if you can see a lot, but I do apologise if you can't. But obviously, if you've seen it in the daytime, you've seen it in the daytime. So right, these concrete blocks, they've moved them so vehicles can get in. Work vehicles and that. But the general public do walk and use this side of it. Disability place there. They must have a massive forklift or tractor to lift them up. Look how just massive the size of they are. danger warning sign. So right, this is where I was earlier. Right guys, I'm going to end it here because this is a sick ass location now. Just like going to finish up on here. It's a very nice location to be looking at. So yeah, let's have a look at this exterior again. To be fair, I've got some photo shots. Yeah, just the battery I'm worried about now. Obviously I've got my power bank with me, but it's just efforts to like sort it out, charge it up. So yeah, that's another entrance way in. That's what I got through. I wonder when they're going to block the thing off. But yeah, alright guys, I'm really pumped on this one. Thank you for watching, and yeah, just please like and subscribe and comment and share my video. So it's been your boy Country Night 2, and I'll see you in the next video.